business are going off, you know.
I'd say, hey guys, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Jesus P, man, I'm so tired. Today I am going to try to go to the supermarket. I need for go. What else am I going to do? I think I have some stuff up a rocket ship for me need for collect because I did order some little things, some little camera stuff, so we're gonna collect that. I might go to the supermarket and collect some things, and I might go get some clothes. So that is what I have planned to do. Honestly, right now I'm tired. I don't know why I'm even up on Vlogmas. If you look, you have like a whole entire bag right on my eye. I think it's like 4 hours sleep me get. Why am I so tired? I do not know, but I just figure say, yo, man, I just like wing it. I'm gonna give the content because I don't want it. I just stress out burritos. I am just so stressed out. Like, I don't even know. I tell you, say some time ago, I'm trying to get together my little, you know, my YouTube show that is DBS exclusive, where I focus upon creatives, like, you know, like have interviews, and hopefully it will be fun and it go on nice. But putting that together is a whole heap of work. I have a few, you know, like friends that are assisting me with it, but trying to get a little TV show, little stuff done, even though it's still on YouTube, is a whole heap of work. Just trying to plan and get people, the other content creators, to be a part of this is whole heap, man, whole heap. So hopefully I plan to just show you the entire journey of what it's like to put that together. And so yeah, I got to make some very interesting vlog content, but for now, just go and rough it out with me with some of these little daily vlogs. But like, we're just busy. Rough it out with me, but we're gonna give you the content and the vlogs will get better as the days go by. Okay? Alright. Oh my god, I feel like some Alicia Keys in the music video. What's your name? Sleeping with a Broken Heart. And then you have courts over here, so you have security guard down here, so people must set up them Christmas and all kind of decorations. I think at night everything right here, so it lights up. And you have the people light them over here, so you can't see them now because it's not night. Even though nights will come down in the next couple hours. You see, I don't understand the people that come here so and rent out the space them, and they're so expensive. Like, people can hardly afford these places. You know, sir, probably like 200,000 for over them places. Damn. Watch there, just empty space. Jesus. Oh my god. It's so weird to be on the road and you walk with your camera and talk, and people just stay there and look by you and you feel like a crazy person, because it's like nobody understands. Say, hey, there's a thing called YouTubers. So when you walk around and film yourself, people must say, what are you, man? What are you, man? Something's wrong with your youth here. So I walk a while ago and I record myself in a little reflection mirror thingy, where everybody does it. From your past half a tree right there, so you have to do it. It's like the thing where you have to do. Oh my god, why am I look so damn grimy? I need to sleep and I need to trim.
Yeah, someone's in a
so,
supply.
May I walk past Arbitrary a while ago and book up Bridging Andrew out here, so
yeah,
I may ask him how the business, how it a going?
Well, business are going off, you know, in the Christmas time, you're right. You know,
but you are going to hold it?
Yeah, man, we are going to hold it, man.
Alright, so why you show me the things I want to show the people them, so when they touch Arbitrary, them can give you strength, alright?
Yeah, man, how you say, man?
Show me the things there.
You see slippers them here now, you can check them out at Someone's Leather Supply on Facebook, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So the name of the page again?
Someone's Leather Supply.
Alright.
Be a hot style, you see me?
So I right to say normally have your things them in the half a tree, so people them come them now if you're a warrior, so Lord have mercy, I wonder if you're going downtown this week.
Nah man, alright, so we always there, check the Facebook page and you
plug
can
the
get
Facebook again?
Yeah man, Someone's Leather Supply.
Someone's Leather Supply?
Yeah, Someone's Leather Supply.
Alright. So anybody, the burritos them, if you want to go and get the things them, make sure you just land right in the half a tree right here so you can't miss it. Cross the road from where? Cross the road from where Pablo's there. Alright, anybody want to big up?
Yeah man, big up my youth them, the tree youth.
Oh, you still have to think it gone up now, you know. I say, oh, you still have hold it. You still have hold it, Andrew, alright.
Yeah man, I big up my mother, my mother and my father.
Alright, bless. Alright, burritos, that is it for this Dutty Berry Uncut vlog. And so I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment, the usual strips. Peace out.